Welcome to our latest epic fall adventure in the heart of Virginia. Join us as we explore the best free attractions Richmond has to offer, perfect for locals and tourists alike. From scenic trails to breathtaking gardens, this vibrant city is bursting with natural beauty and rich history. This is a little hidden gem. Y'all know me, I like the hidden gems around the world. So we're gonna go explore the James River in a very unique way, only known to locals. We kick off our journey at the James River Pipeline Trail, where your starting point is found at the pipeline overlook, which has limited spots for parking. Take a quick second to enjoy a glance at the river from the overlook and catch a sneak peek of the pipeline trail.
That walkway is where we're going.
To find the trail, follow the flood walls all the way down until you reach a path of wooden steps. This will be fun. Let's check this out. Now be aware, there are ladders and narrow regions to go through, so always explore with caution and mind your step. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. This place connects urban charm with tranquility and thrill of nature as you navigate this path hidden underneath the railroad bridge. With close proximity to the James River and follows an old gas pipeline route which was created in the 20th century and still operates today, creating part of Richmond's infrastructure.
Wow, look at this. This is so cool.
Cool thing is there's a lot of points where you can actually get off the trail and just chill by the river and enjoy it. I'm imagining during the summer months when it's really hot, people come here, they walk the trail, and then they kind of camp out by the river. Look, that's where we were. That's the overlook. So this is definitely worth checking out if you're ever in Richmond, Virginia. Such a simple little walk, but a very cool way to check out the James River, get a little bit of nature right within the city. Unfortunately, I recently found that there have been plans to officially close off the trail from public access, but there seems to be some resistance towards it, so hopefully it remains open. But if you do plan to visit, be aware and research before going. Our next stop is located right next to the parking area of the pipeline overlook, where you can wander along the Riverside Canal Art Walk. This enchanting pathway showcasing incredible murals and installations that reflect Richmond's vibrant cultural scene. As you stroll, take in the unique artworks that line the canal, and don't forget to snap some photos of your favorite pieces. So if you like art, specifically mural art, street artwork, like my boy Xavier Moss, check him out at xmossart, okay, on Instagram. Definitely come check out this little spot. It's right next to the pipeline overlook. Very nice. This was my favorite, I think. Our final stop is a true hidden gem in the heart of the city. We are at the Maymont Gardens of Richmond, Virginia. This place is a very famous spot and it is free. So we're enjoying all the good free stuff here today. This is a perfect place to stroll through the lush landscapes, admire the vibrant flowers, and relax by the tranquil ponds. So the consensus among the girls is this is the place that they would like to get engaged in, so that's a good thing. This place is pretty nice. These stunning grounds feature a variety of themed gardens, from the exquisite Italian garden to the serene Japanese garden. And if you're visiting in the fall season, this is one of the many great locations in Richmond to see a variety of color changes in the trees. With its historic architecture, peaceful gardens, and sprawling lawns, Maymont is the perfect spot for a picnic or a leisurely afternoon. One last honorable mention of a cool area would also have to be Carytown. If you're into local food, cafes, and mom and pop stores, this hip little town is definitely worth visiting as well. So there you have it. These incredible free spots in Richmond will give you much to explore and discover how much the city has to offer without breaking the bank. Be sure to let me know in the comments if you have any other good Richmond recommendations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. And as always, continue seeking your adventure and being epic.